Hello, today's lesson is going to be on translations, and this goes along with Titan Learning Day number 21 and 22. We're going to talk in general about a transformation first. A transformation is a function that changes position, shape, or size. So you're going to take one figure and you're going to move it so it's in a different position, or you're going to shrink it or stretch it so it's a different size, or you're going to make some kind of change to it that's going to fall under the category of transformation. Now, your original figure is called your pre-image. So the pre-image refers to the original figure. Then after you make the changes, the next image is just called the image. So image refers to the figure after a transformation. Rigid motion is a transformation that preserves distance and angle measure. So the size with the distance between points will be the same. And the measures of the angles, if it was a 90-degree angle, it will still be a 90-degree angle. Isometry is a transformation that preserves the distance. So rigid motion preserves distance and measures, and this one just preserves the distance. So let's look at what a transformation does. A transformation is going to map every point from a pre-image to its image. And the prime notation, which is given by just this little dash beside the letter, that's used to denote that you have a new image, and those are new points. So on the pre-image, you had K, J, and Q. Then when you map it to its image, you get K prime, J prime, and Q prime. So a translation, this is going to be a special type of transformation, and we're going to learn a few transformations. The first one is a translation. So a translation is a special type of transformation that maps all points of the pre-image the same distance and the same direction to the image. So if we had two triangles, and we can use these even though there has also been a reflection on this one. And I think you guys learned about reflections and rotations and things like that in 6th or 7th grade. So you know what I'm talking about. But if we just use these as an example, we would say that triangle J prime, K prime, Q prime would be a translation of the pre-image triangle JKQ. So you write that as the translation of your pre-image gives you your image. Okay, let's look at a couple of examples. Let's look at the graph, and on this graph we have triangle ABCD, and that is going to be my pre-image, and I am going to translate this to get my image A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. So when you look at the graph, you can see that there were 4 movements to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 movements down. 1, 2.